Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Valerie from WordPress. In this video, I'll walk you through everything that's new in the WordPress booking calendar version 1.3. We'll cover the new pay-on-site payment option, the admin approval confirmation mode, and other useful features. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. Now, let's get started. Let's start with a quick recap, a quick overview of how the booking confirmation worked before the update. When the WordPress booking calendar first launched, in its initial release, all bookings were confirmed automatically. In other words, any request submitted through the booking wizard went straight into the booking database with the status confirmed. Then came version 1.2. which introduced confirmation upon payment. And this allowed clients to pay via Stripe and their booking would be confirmed right after the payment was completed. With version 1.3, we've added another option to this mode, Pay on Site. With this payment method, bookings are automatically confirmed too, but the payment will be on hold. So you can provide instructions on how clients should pay when they arrive. But that's not all. Version 1.3 also includes a new confirmation mode that requires admin approval. In this mode, every booking request goes to the admin first, and the admin reviews all of them and decides which ones to improve by manually updating the status. So, now, as an admin, you can choose from 3 confirmation modes. Confirm automatically, confirm manually by admin, and confirm upon payment via Stripe or Pay on Site. You can see that I currently have the confirm upon payment mode enabled, so it makes sense to start with the Pay on Site payment option. I'm switching to the Payments tab. And here we can see the new option, Pay on Site. And while you're here, you can also choose the default payment method for the checkout if needed. To enable Pay on Site, simply click the checkbox, add a description, and provide instructions on how customers should complete the payment. Make sure to save your changes. Perfect. And just as a note, these are my Stripe settings. And if you need help with Stripe, we have a step-by-step tutorial on our channel, so feel free to check it out. Now let's look at notifications. This menu is used to create automated email notifications sent to both customers and admins. Keep in mind that notifications are connected to specific forms, and they can be triggered when a booking is placed, confirmed, or cancelled. And when using confirmation upon payment, the key notification type is the one sent after a successful payment. Now let's move from theory to practice and make a quick test booking. From your client's perspective, it looks like this. They start by selecting the dates and clicking the book button. Then we move to checkout. Here the form appears, and this is the default booking form, but you can add additional field types if you want. For example, let clients pick add-ons or provide more information. So we have a separate video on customizing the form too, so feel free to check it out in the booking calendar playlist. After entering their name, email, and phone number, the client can proceed to the payment step. And here we can see the new Pay on Site option. Both the description and the instructions appear as expected, So I select it and click Book Now. Done. Here we see the booking number and the confirmed status. The booking is confirmed, but the payment is still on hold. From the dashboard, the admin reviews all the bookings. Once the payment is received, all the admin needs to do is change the payment status to completed and update the booking. Very simple. And this is an example of notification the customer receives after the admin updates the payment status. As always, I recommend checking the logs to make sure everything works correctly. Once you're familiar with Pay on Site, we can move on to the new confirmation mode introduced in version 1.3. Let's switch to Confirm Manually by Admin and save the changes. Otherwise, the new mode won't apply. The Confirm Manually by Admin mode gives you full control over which bookings to accept. It's especially helpful when you need to review each request before confirming it. For example, when availability can change quickly, or you need to check guest details manually. There are a few scenarios where this mode makes sense. If we're talking about nightly bookings, you can offer accommodations where availability is limited and you want to verify each reservation based on guest count, special requests, or minimum stay rules. Or, for example, you sometimes receive offline bookings via phone, WhatsApp, email, and you need to check the calendar before confirming new online requests. If we're talking about daily bookings, for instance, you rent out outdoor equipment and need to ensure the items are physically available before confirming, or some bookings depend on weather conditions or instructor availability, so you might prefer to review each request first. With this mode, you can stay in full control and can make sure every booking aligns with your schedule, capacity, and policies before it becomes confirmed. When using this mode, you'll likely need to create 3 notifications such as booking placed, booking confirmed, booking cancelled. So make sure to open this menu and set up the notifications you want to send to your customers and to the admin. Now it's time for a test booking. After selecting the date and time, I click Book Now, fill in the form, and click Book Now again. Now the booking status is pending. So let's check the inbox. Opening the email, and here is the notification sent when a booking is placed. And remember, you can customize this message in a way you prefer using tags. Now, switching back to the admin side, I open the bookings menu. Here we can see the pending booking waiting for review. I open it, look through the details, and decide whether to approve it or not. To confirm the booking, I simply choose the status from the drop-down. Let's say we confirm it. Right away, the client receives an email informing them that their booking has been confirmed. So this is exactly how the whole process works. You may have already noted that now each rental type, shown in the booking form, in the very first step where we select the dates, displays a short text with key details. To add this information, open the calendar and click the pencil icon. Previously, you could add the title, description, and image. Now there is a new field where you can add a short text that appears under the title in the booking form. And starting with version 1.3, you can also set a custom name for a time slot instead of showing only a time interval, for example, half day. This can be helpful in many scenarios. When clients hover over the label in the booking form, they still see the exact start and end time, so everything remains clear. And if you want to use this option, go to your dashboard, open the calendar with hourly bookings, and click the time slot you want to rename. An editing window will open, and here you'll see the time slot label field. And this is where you can enter the custom name. The same field is available when creating a new time slot. So to sum up what we've covered in version 1.3 of the WordPress booking calendar, you now have 3 confirmation modes: confirm automatically, confirm manually by admin, and confirm upon payment with support for Stripe and the new pay on site method. You can enable pay on site, add instructions for customers, and manage the payment status from the admin dashboard. We walked through how notifications work, which event triggered them, and where to set them up. You saw how the new admin approval mode works from both the client's and admin's perspective, and in which scenarios this mode is helpful. And finally, we looked at new usability features, adding a short text to each rental type in the booking form and assigning a custom label to time slots, such as a half day. These updates give you more control over confirmations, more ways to manage payments, and more flexibility in how you present booking options to your clients. If this video helped you understand what's new, feel free to like it and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.